So welcome to 2022. This is my first video of the year. Not gonna be a big one, but we're gonna try to get this thing down on the ground a little bit more. Sitting a little bit too high for my liking. I usually like to have like a 2-finger thing here, and it's probably 3 fingers right now, so I gotta take it down about a ½ inch or so. So that's the project for today. Hopefully it won't take too long. Coilovers are easy enough to adjust, so where's the time going, right? This year's almost over already. It's already January 3rd. I don't get it. Must be retirement, huh? Okay, before I get too involved in this thing, I've already got it started, but I found something about, well, shortly after I got it back that I'm not too happy about. But I had them put on a new radiator support, and when I was cleaning this thing up, I don't know if you can see it or not, but right there they cut the damn bar.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
From here to here. And I'm assuming it was to mess around with the wire bundle. I'm not sure. But now I gotta get another damn radiator cradle. And it looks like I gotta clean up in there too, because there's a bunch of polishing compound down there. So work is never done, right? I marked that one tab there, and I gave it one full turn, and it dropped it about a ½ inch. So I think that'll probably be good. And I don't know if you noticed, but my springs are now body colored, so I think they'll look pretty good that way. So hopefully this will work. And I don't know what to tell you, man. Took this thing out for a little test drive after I adjusted the coilovers, and I went to adjust compression and rebound, and I noticed something. I got a little rattle. Couldn't figure out what it was, but this shock is loose. You can see that nut spins. Now why would it do that if they didn't tighten it to begin with? So I don't know, I'm always finding something. Okay, so I got that tight. Now hopefully I won't find anything else, but I do have to take it back to him to change that radiator cradle out. But other than that, it's, I don't know. Did I make a mistake doing this? I don't know. I don't know. So I took it out for a little drive. Drives much better with it a little bit lower. Probably can't really tell, but I'm going to drive it a little bit and let it settle, and if I need to come down another, maybe turn, it looks like. But it does drive much better now. Handles better. I don't get a vibration in the steering wheel, so I think it needed to come down. Yeah, I need to come down a little bit more. It needs to settle down or something, I don't know, but it's about the same as it was before. But I'm gonna get in touch with the body shop and see if they'll change out that front cradle for me again, the radiator cradle. But it's not right that they cut it. I don't know why they did. I mean, other people change it without cutting anything, right? The wire harness is not in the way. Shouldn't be. But anyways, it is what it is. I might get somebody else to do it. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy New Year. Good way to start out the new year, right? Finding problems with my car. Anyway, take care, stay grape, and we'll see you next time.